Hello everyone, welcome to Codit. Today we are going to discuss about Armstrong number. Okay, so what you mean by Armstrong number? Armstrong number is a number in which sum of each digit's cube will be equal to the original number. Okay, so suppose consider we have an example here 153. That sum of each digits cube, that is 1's cube plus 5's cube plus 3's cube. The sum of all of it should be equal to the original number, that is 153. Okay, suppose here we have divided it here, so 1's cube, that will be 1, and 5 into 5 into 5, that will be 125, and 3 into 3 into 3, 3's cube, that will be 27. After adding all these, we are getting the same number, that is 153, that is same as the initial number. Okay, so we can say it as a 153 is a Armstrong number. So 150, if you consider the cube and finding out the sum, that it will become 126. That 1's cube is 1, and 5's cube is 125, and 0's cube is 0 only. So we will get the answer is 126, and we can say 150 is not an Armstrong number because sum of the cube is not equal to the original number. Okay, so 150 is not an Armstrong number. So let's move on to the IDE and write some code for this. So I'm using Eclipse here. I'll create a new class and I'll name it as a check uh, check Armstrong. I'll name it as a check Armstrong, and I'll include main method here. Okay, so we have created our class now. So let me remove this unwanted lines. So our class is ready. We have to first initialize a number. Okay, so which number we are going to find out the whether it is Armstrong or not. Suppose I'll specify number as a 153, and we need some more details. Like we have to initially we have to copy this number to some other number for later checking whether it is a Armstrong or not. So I'll specify one original, and I'll need a reminder. Okay, each time when I need to find out the particular digits cube, I need a reminder. And one more thing I need is a result. Result is a sum for this is used for each loop. Okay, and I'll initialize the original with the number first. So I'll use while loop here. Uh, I'll I'll write the condition as a original not equal to 0. Till it becomes 0, my loop should execute. Okay, so let me start with my logic. First I need to find the reminder. Okay, reminder means suppose 153 is there, 153 modulus 10. If you do, we will get the reminder as a 3. Okay, so I'll assign that original modulus 10 I'll do. Okay, so this is like how much reminder is present. Okay, so once we calculate the find out the reminder, next thing is we have to find out the cube of that reminder. Okay, so I'll use it as a result. I'll store it as a result equal to that math dot power. This function by default this function will be available. This function I'll use. The first parameter is the which is the number. Okay, reminder is our number. Okay, to which we have to find the cube. Cube means here we have to specify 3. Okay, so okay, why it is giving error? Okay, yeah, result is a integer, and here our value will come as a double. Okay, so resolve this. I'll just put a plus here, plus. Okay, so whatever the value comes, it will be added to the result. Okay, so this basically this will find out the power, and it will be added to result. the next thing is we need to uh, reduce the original number. So what I'll do is equal to, or I'll do is original divided or equal to 10. So each iteration it will be reduced to a number until it becomes 0. Okay, fine. So this is our logic. We have wrote our logic. Next thing, one more thing we have to do is like we have to compare this original number and the result number. Okay, so if result equal to number is our initial number. So if both are equal, then we can say it as a Armstrong number. Otherwise, we'll display it's not an Armstrong number. Okay. Fine. We have completed our program. So next thing we have to run this and we have to make sure this is working properly or not. I'll just run this. Okay, so we got our output as a Armstrong number. So this is working fine. So we'll one more test case we'll check. We'll put 150 and again we'll run this program. Not an Armstrong number. Fine. So our logic is working fine. So I'll put a debug and I'll show you how actually this will be working. Okay. So let's I put the debug point for while and I put it for the checking whether both numbers are Armstrong or not. Okay, I started the debugger. Oh, fine. Yeah, it started. So you can see in the right side panel that number is 153 and original is 153 that we have initialized earlier. Okay, and result is 0 because that also we have initialized. So we are going through while. So while, see, now you can see that remainder becomes 3. That means 153 modulus 10, at that time we got a remainder as a 3. Next thing is result. Okay, so result is also updated, that 3 is cube, that is 27. So we got the result as a now 27 is there. Okay, original will become 15. So next time original 15 modulus 10, that remainder will become 5 and we have to find the cube of this, that is 125 and plus that previous 27 is there, no, that is added. So result will become 152 and our original will become only 1 because 15 by 10. So next loop we have original as 1. So we'll find out the remainder. Remainder is anyway it will become 1 only. 1 modulus 10 will be 1 only. So result we will find out the 1 power of 1. Okay. Initially it is 152 result and 1 to the power 3 will become 1. So result will be 153. Original will now become 0. Okay. So next thing is we got our result value. Result value is 153 and the number is 153. Okay, so we'll get the answer as a Armstrong number. So yeah, this is it from my side. I'll stop the debugger. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like and share, or you can subscribe for more updates from us. Thank you.